Hey, how's it going? With me, it's great, except for the fact that YouTube decided to disable my access for my old account. The support did not answer for over a month now after several tickets, so I think it's gone as I took a break when I had already 2 strikes, maybe I just got the 3rd. So here we are again, starting from scratch. With cannabis becoming more and more mainstream, I think, well, I more hope that growers' content won't be get that harshly restricted and striked anymore. Let's see. But let's talk facts. I loved being a YouTuber and I really want to come back, but it's actually painful to be still able to see what you cared for several years, but you are unable to use or interact with it. And with that I just mean the old channel overall. I mean, it's still there, I just don't have access and I call it disabled. I think it was wonderful, a great little community in an interesting niche, mostly guerrilla growers found together and just enjoyed everything around. I hope this was clear all along, but at this point I'd like to point it out at least once. The whole stuff is and was never about me, it's about the thing. And the thing is, in my opinion, getting back in contact with nature and being self-sufficient in the things you really like. Anyways, it sucks to start from zero again, but maybe with your help, this new channel may be able to get a kickstart again. My plan is to upload several new stuff that I prepared and also re-upload many of the old videos as I was too passionate about creating them to just throw them away. And yeah, I think that's already all I can tell you so far. I am doing what I love, and if you wouldn't mind, I would be very grateful if you could share those news with other people in the community or maybe even new ones. I would really appreciate it. This whole stuff was already a journey and everything may come to an end, but this one is not over yet. In this case, I hope you have a wonderful day and cheers.